Hi, this is Amber, and I just wanted to thank you for trying out the Cellproof Collagen Skincare, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and how to get the best results from it. So here we go. First step of this is the double cleanser. This is one of my absolute favorites. You want to use this on your dry face without any water, and it's a two-step process. You can use your eye makeup remover first, or I actually love the Modere eye makeup remover for waterproof mascara, or I love these Norwex cloths as well. They actually work with just water to remove the makeup. And you just put this on the dry skin. Okay, you can kind of see how it turns white. Okay, this is going to it removes sunscreen, makeup. It actually dissolves makeup in sunscreen and removes excess sebum from your skin, the dead skin cells, oil, dirt, pollution. Put it on your neck. The second step is to use some warm water and just mix it into a lather. You can see how it starts to lather up. That's what makes this a double cleanser. It will get out all of the dirt and oil from your skin, makeup, and it will make your skin feel so clean. Okay, now the second step is our Infusion Mask. You only have to use this every other day and use it just once a day. You want to just put it on the skin like this. This is absolutely amazing for helping with any kind of acne or breakouts. It will start to really eliminate those. When you first start, you want to use this 4 days in a row, then every other day. Okay, so you can see it turns to this white mask, and this actually from the air pulls in oxygen into your skin. It really helps to open up the pores so you'll receive the other ingredients better, and it's all natural again, so you're not having these harsh chemicals for your skin. It's going to hydrate you, and it just works wonders, all I can tell you. So just let it sit for, about 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. You'll be able to see it bubbles up. It kind of can tickle a little bit. And if it turns clear too soon, you can just pat some water on it, and it will start to bubble up again. So you can see how it's bubbling all over my skin. So we call it this champagne facial because it bubbles up like this. You actually can sleep with it on. It's safe, natural, and it won't. It'll actually make your skin just look really nice in the morning. So you can leave it on longer than 5 minutes. You don't have to take it right off. So now if I want to get more life out of it, I'll just put some water on it. So if you want to keep the party going, okay, now 2 steps before bedtime, or in the morning routine. So now with their serums is the collagen hyaluronic acid peptide serum. Actually won the #1 collagen peptide serum, so it's really amazing. You can actually just put it on your face directly if you'd like, or you can put it on your fingers and rub it that way. You don't have to use a separate toner because the double cleanser acts as a cleanser and toner, but if you want to, it does help the serum to kind of last a little longer, kind of go on a little more smoothly, I think. It's optional though. This serum actually gives you results in 5 minutes, but it continues to give you better results over time. And then the moisturizer. So kind of let this dry. And again, you can use the serum on your neck and on your hands. Also, the body firming foam is amazing for tightening skin, reducing the appearance of cellulite, but it also works great on the neck and the chest wrinkles if you have. So next step is the moisturizer. And this is how you do it. You just pop the top off, squeeze it out, and then rub it on. You can even put it on your lips, although we do have a lip serum and an eye cream, but it feels so good. Your skin will be like sucking this in. Okay, so that's it. Last step. I do love the lip serum. So you can just put that on. This actually is a lip plumper, but it also hydrates the lips. And then we have the eye cream as well. So you can just pop that underneath your eye. This helps to fill in those little fine lines and wrinkles, eliminate puffy eyes. So these are optional. So now I'm going to bed, and thanks for watching this video.